What's up everybody, Devin up here, and I'm back with another video today, and it is the iPhone SE. Let's unbox it, have some fun with it, and let's see what this phone can do. Let's get this unboxing started. Here's the iPhone. Yes, I got it in red, just because, you know, it's flashy. Alright, let's see what's in here. Product red. Guided tutorial. You got your Simcard Popper right here, as you see. Pop the SIM card in here, take it out, and of course your signature Apple stickers. Of course you got the iPhone itself. Yes, this is the real iPhone SE. The Apple logo is not up here, it's down here. Apple wired headphones. Your standard charger, lightning charger. The USB block. Alright, and that's it for the unboxing. Let's turn this phone on and see what it can do. Man, this old design just brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah, gotcha, bitch!
This phone has the old iPhone 8 design, and it's actually been really popular, and people been wanting it back because some people don't like the touchscreen. They like the whole thumbprint. People want to use their thumb. It was simple, it was easy. Just place your thumb and open your phone up. It was nice and simple, and people miss that. So with this coming back, this is gonna be a good phone, and just the standard iPhone. Basic layout. And first of all, a good thing about this phone is that it's very budget friendly, $399. And this is gonna be a very, very popular phone. Most likely everyone's first phone. This is gonna be a really, really hot phone because it has the A13 chip inside of it. Also, camera in the back has components of the new iPhone 11. It shoots in great detail just like the iPhone 11. Yeah, you guys are breaking the bank for the iPhone 11. I mean, two phones for the same price. That's crazy, right? Apple's stealing money out here.
Give me your fucking money!
Alright, so now let's get into the phone. Let's talk about the size. This is a 4.7 inch HD phone. Comes with the new iOS 13 already embedded into it. The front camera has 7 megapixels, while the back camera has 16 megapixels. Also, this also shoots in 4K. Also, this has the A13 chip processor inside of it. The speed on this phone is gonna be great. Yeah, you're not gonna really have any issues with it. The storage, of course, gonna be your same basic layout, 64, 128, 256. Whichever model you want to get. And of course, this comes with the home button and the fingerprint scanner. And the water resistance for this is IPX7. It can actually, you know, do the same as the 11 and 10. Take a shower with it, drop it in the water. You know, of course, not too deep water. You know, it can last for a while and you'll be okay. Again, this is pretty much an iPhone 11 scrapped with like the basics inside of it. And very thin too. Just having these bezels on the phone, you know, like I said, we went from having these bezels to getting rid of them, complaining about it, and then we get them again, and it's like, what is this doing back on the phone? This is ugly, this is hideous. You know, just having this, it brings back nostalgia. I haven't had it in a while, I got used to it, and just having it again, realized like, yeah, these bezels do kind of suck. For a nostalgic person like myself, you know, I don't really care too much about it because I'm actually fine with it, and I think it's awesome. It's just like a throwback and just having it, you know. Yeah, like, I like nostalgia. Yes, it's real. having these bezels on it, if you can just look past it and just focus on you having a budget phone or just you needing a phone and, you know, using it, this is actually a great phone. And there's a lot of things you can actually do with this phone. The fact that it has 4K, you can take great video, make movies, take photos, of course make phone calls, edit, you know, start a business with this phone. This could be a business phone, and also you can do other things with this phone, like. All right, so let's get into the battery life of this phone. So it's pretty much your basic battery. It's not really a high-end battery phone. It goes pretty much 15 hours instead of your 22, 23 hour phone. So it's not really too big on battery life. I guess this is just more focused on just using it what it's for, like just making phone calls, FaceTime, text messaging. Simple, not really too much gameplay or getting down. I guess they just wanted it just, if you need a phone, get your phone. But for the rest, because of this phone coming out, you're gonna value you having your actual personal phone more, because you can actually do more with it than this basic phone. And that's gonna cause people to, you know, eventually want to upgrade into a better phone. I'm talking business. I'm gonna own my business one day. But it makes sense though, right? If you think about it, it makes sense, right? Because remember the old iPod Touch, and then you wanted the iPhone because of that. Same with this. When kids or the next generation get this phone, they're gonna want to get a better phone. And that's what it's for, and it's gonna be really hot and popular to get. So if you get your hands on it, good job. Keep it. It might be rare one day. All right guys, this is Devin Up. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. If you stuck with me this far, I'm at 100, so I'm gonna do a giveaway. Just comment down below for a chance to win in the giveaway. You have to subscribe, of course. Comment what you want the phone for, if you're gonna get the phone, or is it not for you? Just comment for a chance to win. When you comment, do quotations 100, because I'm at 100. To do quotations 100 to win in the giveaway. So comment, parentheses, 100, boom. All right, this is Devin Up. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Just keep watching. And my next video is gonna be the winner of the giveaway. And I'm out. Thanks for watching.